Your spine may be aging faster than you realize. The warning signs are easy to dismiss. Morning stiffness, a dull ache after sitting, fatigue, and that stubborn mental fog. They do not prove that one hidden force is disappearing, but they do reveal something important. Your posture, your breathing, and your nervous system are never working separately. Ancient Chinese practitioners described this connection through the spine, the breath, and a channel called the governing vessel. They called it the Sea of the Yang channels, an inner axis of movement, warmth, and wakefulness. Modern anatomy does not confirm invisible meridians. Yet modern physiology does confirm that breath can change autonomic activity. In the next few minutes, you will learn a 7-minute morning sequence built from 3 traditional breathing methods. It is not a cure, not a replacement for medical care, and not a promise to reverse biological age. Its real power is simpler. Slow the breath, reduce unnecessary tension, and give the nervous system a chance to reset. Long before imaging scanners, Taoist health traditions developed practices known as Daiyin and Tuna, guided movement and regulated breathing. The Yuan Qi speaks poetically of the realized person breathing from the heels, breath felt through the whole body. Later inner alchemy texts described refining essence into and refining into spirit. These are traditional metaphors of cultivation, not modern biological measurements, but hidden inside the metaphor is a practical observation. Changing breath changes the state of the body. Research on slow breathing consistently finds short-term increases in heart rate variability linked with parasympathetic activity. That does not mean instant healing. It means the heart and nervous system become more flexible in the moment. Humming has another measurable effect. In a small laboratory study, nasal nitric oxide rose about 15-fold during humming. The finding concerned sinus ventilation. It did not prove whole-body rejuvenation, collagen repair, or a younger vascular age. The truth is less magical and more useful. These practices can help regulate breathing, attention, and stress. Sit comfortably. Let the crown of your head rise. Keep the spine long but never rigid. If you feel dizzy, short of breath, anxious, or uncomfortable, stop and return to normal breathing. Avoid breath holds if a clinician has advised you against them, especially with uncontrolled blood pressure or cardiovascular disease. Step 1. Alternate nostril breathing, 3 minutes. Use your right thumb to close the right nostril. Inhale gently through the left for a count of 4. Close both nostrils only for a brief, comfortable pause. Then open the right and exhale for 6. Inhale through the right for 4. Pause gently. Exhale through the left for 6. That is 1 cycle. Continue without forcing the breath. Let the exhale remain smooth, quiet, and slightly longer. Traditional language calls this balancing yin and yang and clearing the channels. A modern interpretation is more modest. Deliberate nasal breathing slows attention and may shift autonomic balance. Notice the pressure changing inside the nose. Notice the shoulders dropping. Notice the face becoming less guarded. The mechanism is not hidden in a mystical substance. It is revealed through rhythm. Now keep your eyes closed. We move from pressure to resonance. Step 2. Humming breath, 2 minutes. Take a full but comfortable breath in. Close the lips. As you exhale, make a low, steady hum. Feel the vibration in the throat, the cheekbones, the nose, and the center of the skull. Let each humming exhale last 6 to 8 seconds, but never strain for a number. Why does this matter? Humming creates oscillating airflow between the nasal cavity and the sinuses. That airflow can release far more nasal nitric oxide than quiet exhalation. That is the measurable secret. Do not confuse a nasal measurement with proof of anti-aging. The study itself called for therapeutic effects to be investigated. Still, the vibration can feel like an internal massage. Not because bones awaken, but because attention and muscle tone change. Continue for 2 minutes. Let the sound be low, private, and effortless. The final step is not about producing more. It is about containing the calm you have created. Step 3. A gentle breath hold, 2 minutes. Inhale comfortably. Relax the jaw and throat. Hold only within an easy range, never to the point of struggle. If 8 seconds feels easy, use 8. If it does not, use less. Then release the breath slowly. Do not bear down. Do not perform a forceful Valsalva maneuver. Do not turn a calming practice into a contest. A gentle pause can sharpen awareness of breathing. A forceful hold can cause abrupt blood pressure changes. Taoist language might call this storing original Qi. Modern language might call it disciplined introspection. Different maps, different words. The same demand: stay present, stay relaxed, and never force. 3 minutes of alternate breathing. 2 minutes of humming. 2 minutes of gentle, optional breath pauses. 7 minutes. Not an immortality code, but a repeatable ritual for nervous system regulation. What might you notice first? A clearer nose, a slower pulse, less tension around the eyes, jaw, and shoulders. With regular practice, some people report calmer mornings and better focus. Research supports modest effects, not guaranteed transformations. Persistent back pain, weakness, numbness, bladder changes, severe headache, or fainting require medical evaluation, not another breathing round. The deepest Taoist insight was never that the body could be bullied into youth. It was that vitality returns when wasted effort stops. The spine lengthens, the exhale softens, attention comes home. Ancient maps used Qi, essence, and spirit. Modern maps use pressure, circulation, and autonomic regulation. Do not confuse the maps, but do not ignore the shared observation. The way you breathe changes the way you inhabit your body. Try this sequence for 7 mornings. Keep the breath comfortable and note what actually changes. If you accept the 7-day challenge, write original Qi in the comments. The old map was never lost. It was waiting inside the quiet space between one breath and the next.